Good morning. I've already drunk a whole cup of coffee here. We are outside with Toni, sidekick Toni today, because I'm going to show you what's next on the crochet agenda. It's actually not crochet, it's Tunisian crochet. It's Sunday, Father's Day. My husband has opted to work for Father's Day. Woo, fun times. But that means I get to have a really pleasant Father's Day. Well, I'm going to work actually. I'm going to pack a box up today. And we're going to videotape that because we are going to cut down a giant box to fit a smaller thing in it. So you're going to get to learn some box math.
Oh no.
Yeah. I knew it. I knew that was going to happen.